In this video, I'll show you how to change the address in your Mailchimp footer. First, log into your Mailchimp account and go to the Campaigns tab. Open the campaign you want to edit, then click Edit Design. Scroll down to the bottom of your email where the footer section is located. Click on the footer block to edit it. You will see merge tags like list address, which automatically pull your address from your account settings. Since Mailchimp requires a physical address for compliance with anti-spam laws, you'll need to update this with either your business address, a PO box, or even a virtual business address if you want to keep your home address private. Once you have updated the address, click Save and Close to apply your changes. Always preview your email before sending to make sure the footer looks professional and displays correctly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Mailchimp footer address while staying compliant and protecting your privacy. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips and tricks.